watatu kati yao ni kutoka taifa la Somali, hivi vikiwa ni visa vya juu zaidi humu nchini, na visa vyote kwa ujumla sasa hivi imefikia 1109 na 40 kati ya visa hivyo vimetokea katika kaunti ya Nairobi. Eneo la Kibra limeandikisha visa 13 na eneo la Westlands visa 9, na 20 kati ya visa hivyo vimetokea katika kaunti ya Mombasa. Kisa cha Siaya kilitoka kwa mtu mmoja aliyetokea Kibra, na 7 kati ya visa hivyo vimetokea kwa waombolezaji. Watu 9 zaidi wamepona virusi vya corona na idadi ya waliopona sasa hivi ikifikia 375. Hebu tupati.
Brings the total to 1,109 and the cumulative samples to 52,507. And I wish to thank those people, the clinic officers, the ambulance drivers, all those in the Ministry of Health and county health officials who have made the testing of over 3,000 people possible. As you know, we started off with very few, 100 and something. We have been increasing this testing capacity. But I would also like to say that this momentum to continue testing in such numbers is also dependent on us being able to acquire the testing kits and sampling kits that are necessary for us to do so. And as you know, there is still a global challenge. And I want to thank those individuals and organizations who have been able to work so effortlessly to try and get us these new samples that we have. And others who are working very hard in Europe and in the United States to ensure that, that we get them. Again, in Mombasa, Nairobi and Mombasa continue to lead the way in this one, with 41 cases being in Nairobi, while 20 cases are in Mombasa. There are also 7 cases now in Siaya. And the Siaya story is a sad one, because the departure point of that case is actually in Kibera. Somebody in Kibera, without the authority to authorize anybody to travel, signed a document that allowed and was respected by police all the way from Kibera, taking mourners for a funeral in Siaya. The mourners themselves were positive and therefore were identified by our teams, contact teams in Siaya. So you can imagine, again, there is a reason. There is a reason why we locked down, or rather caused a cessation of movement from Nairobi. This demonstrates